All right, so we're doing, what number are we doing? I forgot. Up there, so you guys. So to do this problem in base 9, this is question number 6 out of homework. What was it? 5?
Yes, homework 5.
Homework 5. Okay. So yeah. So basically, you got to do a bunch of 38s. So I would suggest 38 times 1. We all know that's just 38. My writing's gonna be kind of scribbly here. My pencil's broken. All right, so then just keep adding 38s. So if I take 38 and I add 38, but remember you're in the base 9 system. So 8 and 8 is 16. 8 and 8 is 16, but then you got to, yeah, so you still got to convert, huh? It's still a bunch, it's still a fair bit of conversion. So I'm going to add 8 and 8 is 16, but that is how many, that's 197 more, so that'd be 1, 7. Yeah, 16 means carry away 9. This 1 means 9, doesn't it? Yeah. So, and 7, and then 3, 3, 6, so 7, 7. So that's the next one. That's 38 times 2, which I know you're already seeing it on the board behind me. And then we keep going. Then we just add another 38. So add 38 again. 8 and 7 is 15. That's 9 and what? 6 for 15. And then 10, 11. 11 is 9 and 2, 1, 2, 6. Yes, that's quicker, isn't it? 1, 2, 6, yeah. See, that's 38 times 3. You see how I'm getting those? I just keep adding 38, adding 38, adding 38. That's a little quicker than redoing the whole multiplication every time, I think. So then you keep going. So I'll erase this, and I'll say, okay. Now I'm going to take 126. I'm going to add another 38. 8 and 6 is 14. That carries away 9. 14 carries 9 away and leaves what? 5? Right? Is that okay? I'm doing that part in my head, right? So 14 is take 9 out, leaves 5. And then add these guys up. What's that? 6. 165. So that's times 4. And then add another 38. Do it again. Add another 38. That'd be 13. 8 and 5 is 13. What's that? Take 9 out of 13, leaves 4. And then this is 10, which carries away 9, leaves 1. Is that good? These guys made 10. And that's carry 9 away, leave 1. And 1 and 1 makes 2. So 2, 1, 4. So that's times 5. We good? So now we need, so we're at 2, 1, 4. 2, 1, 4. And we're going to add another 38. So I'm just getting the same answer. So 12. So what is 12? 8 and 4 is 12. That's carry away 9, leave 3, huh? And then add these up. What's that? 5? 2, 5, 3. So that's the next one. 2, 5, 3. That's times 6. And then now we're at 2, 5, 3. So now add another 38. Whoops. Not working there. Add another 38. Okay, 8 and 3 is 11. That's carry away 9. That's a 1 there. Carry 9, leave 2. And then add these up. What's that? 9. But I can't write 9. That's carry away 9, leave 0. And then that's 3. So 302. That's times 7. One more. Times 8. Add another 38 for the last time. And 8 and 2 is 10. That carries away 9. Leaves 1, then add these up. 3 and 1 is 4. Bring down the 3. 3, 4, 1. All right, so now that we have all that, this problem will be easy. Of course, that was a lot of work. So you got to get all your times tables in your base. And now, let's do the rest of the problem now. So now 38 into 2403. Let me rewrite it. 38 into 2403. 38 into 24, so 38. Into 2403. Keep things lined up here. Okay, so what am I going into first? 38 can't go into 2. Can it go into 24? No, it's bigger than 24. Can it go into 240? Yeah, what's the biggest amount? Look over there on the right side. What's the biggest amount that it can, that's just below 240? Yeah, right there. Times 5 be 214. If you went up to times 6, that'd be 253 too much. So I'm going to go times 5, and where am I going to write that 5? Right there, over the last digit of the thing I'm going into, huh? So 5 times 38 is 214. So go ahead and just write it down. 214. Subtract in base 9, which means what? Make that a 3. Bring over how much? 9 in base 9. Bring over 9 minus 4 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. Bring down the 3. 253. There it is. Times 6. We're done. It's cake once you have them all set up, huh? Does that make sense? Now, was your plan to just convert both numbers from the beginning and then do the whole thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Convert it back to base
And
9.
convert it in the end, yeah. I'm going to actually ask to see it in base 9. Yeah, I figured that's what you're saying. And that is quicker. You're totally right, because this gets so painful. But on the test, yeah, I want to actually see it in base 9, the work, yeah. That's a good way to check, though. Super good way to check your final answer. Do you understand what she's saying? She's saying, look, Mr. Heron, this thing is so hard at this point. 38 into, what is it? 2403? 2403. She's saying, why don't we just change them both to regular, do the division, and change them back? I mean, that's true. That's smarter. That's a good way to check your work. On the test, I will make you do it in base 9. I want to see the base 9 work. But yeah, great way to check your work. In other words, just say, look, I'm going to take that 38. That's 1's place, 9's place, right? So 3 9's, what is that? 27. 8 1's, 8. Add them up. That's the number 35, really, right? Normal 35. And then take this. What is that? It's 1's place, 9's place, 81's place, and then times 9 again. I think that's like 729. 729's place. So it's 2 729's. Use your calculator. 14 something. 58. Is that what it is?
1,458.
Yeah, 1458. And then 4 81's, 3 24. No 9's. That's 0. 3 1's, 3. Add that up. 11 50. This is just normal base 10 work now. So that 5 6 7 8. Well, so that's 1785. So really that means this problem is actually 35 long dividing into 1785. So we just converted both the numbers to normal. Just hit the buttons on you, just divide in your calculator real quick. 1785, because these are normal base 10 numbers now. Converted them both, right? So just 1785 divided by 35. Somebody got it?
51.
51. So the answer is 51, but now we got to convert that back to base 9. Does that make sense? That normal 51 must go back to a base 9 number. So how many 9's in 51? 5? 6? 5. 5 times 9 be 45. Remainder 6. So it's 5, 6. Was that the answer, 56?
Yeah.
Somewhere? Yeah. So that's a good way to check. I don't know, you're probably not going to want to do the whole problem twice on the test or something. But yeah, that is quicker. Does that make sense? Are we okay with that? Sorry about that. I forgot about the 2-digit ones. All right. So and I didn't put any on YouTube, huh? So all